Hey everyone, is there no sound on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check the volume. Press the volume buttons and make sure the media ringtone and call volumes are turned up. Step 2. Restart your phone. Restart your phone. This can fix temporary software issues causing the sound problem. Step 3. Turn off Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Your phone may still be connected to wireless earbuds or a speaker. Step 4. Check Do Not Disturb. Go to Settings, Sound, Do Not Disturb and make sure it is turned off. Step 5. Test the speaker. Play a video or music file to check if the speaker is proper working. Step 6. Check for software update. Go to Settings, Software Update and install any available update. Final tip. If your phone still has no sound, the speaker or another hardware part may need to be checked. And that's it. This step should help fix the no sound issues on your Android phone. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.